From space, Earth appears as a stunning blue gem, with 71% of its surface covered by vast oceans. Yet, beneath this serene facade lies Antarctica, a land of extraordinary challenges. Here, the harsh temperatures can freeze human bones, fierce blizzards obscure visibility, and endless ice stretches to the horizon. While science has uncovered the depths of the oceans and distant galaxies, Antarctica remains a symbol of unsolved mysteries. This land not only tests the limits of life, but also presents new questions for modern science. Let us explore this wondrous place where every discovery reveals unexpected secrets about survival in the most extreme conditions on Earth. Number 12. Antarctica belongs to no nation. Antarctica, the only continent on Earth not claimed by any country, is protected under the Antarctic Treaty, signed in 1959. Initially agreed upon by 12 countries, including the United States, Russia, the United Kingdom, and Australia, the treaty now has over 50 signatories. The treaty enforces key principles such as prohibiting military activities, weapons testing, and allowing only peaceful and scientific endeavors. All prior territorial claims have been frozen, meaning no nation can assert sovereignty over Antarctica while the treaty is in effect. Another significant point is that natural resource exploitation is completely banned under the 1991 Madrid Protocol, which protects Antarctica's environment for at least 50 years. Today, the continent hosts dozens of international research stations where scientists collaborate to study climate, ecology, and glaciology. Number 11. The mysterious history of Antarctica. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana, connected to South America, Africa, India, and Australia. Back then, it had a tropical climate, lush forests, and was home to massive animals including dinosaurs. Fossils of plants and animals found beneath thick ice layers prove that the continent was once teeming with life. Around 34 million years ago, tectonic plate movement pushed Antarctica to its current position, isolating it from warm ocean currents and leading to the formation of its permanent ice sheet. Since then, it has gradually transformed into a frozen wasteland, completely detached from other ecosystems on Earth. Antarctica's mysterious history also involves controversial discoveries and theories. Ancient maps, such as the Piri Reis map from the 16th century, appear to depict Antarctica's coastline before it was covered in ice, raising questions about whether ancient civilizations had knowledge of this land. Additionally, scientists are investigating whether traces of a prehistoric civilization might be buried beneath its miles-thick ice sheets. Although science has revealed incredible insights into Antarctica, much about the continent remains unexplored. Ongoing research into its ice layers, underground lakes, and fossil sites continues to unveil its enigmatic past. Number 10. Surrounded by the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean, the fourth largest ocean in the world, was officially recognized in 2000. Covering an area nearly twice the size of the United States and with an impressive depth of 24,000 feet, or about 7,300 meters, this vast body of water encircles Antarctica, blending the Pacific, Indian, and Atlantic Oceans. What makes the Southern Ocean unique is not just its size. It plays a critical role in the global ocean circulation system, creating powerful currents that regulate temperature and nutrients across the planet. Moreover, it serves as a silent hero in the fight against climate change, absorbing up to 15% of human-caused carbon emissions, a remarkable capacity that continues to amaze scientists. Traveling across the Southern Ocean to the Antarctic Peninsula offers a profound experience of nature's raw power. Towering waves, icy winds, and breathtaking views where the ocean meets the frozen land. Despite years of study, the Southern Ocean remains a significant mystery. Its incredible carbon absorption capacity drives researchers to seek answers that could aid the global fight against climate change. Number 9. The enormous ozone hole mystery. Antarctica is home to the largest ozone hole on Earth, a stark warning of the urgent need to protect our atmosphere. The ozone layer, a natural shield blocking harmful ultraviolet radiation, suffers severe depletion during the Antarctic spring, August to October. This phenomenon, first discovered in the 1980s, is primarily caused by chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and halons, once widely used in industry. When these compounds reach the stratosphere, they are broken down by UV rays, releasing chlorine and bromine atoms that trigger ozone destruction. Antarctica's extreme cold temperatures form stratospheric clouds, accelerating this process. The ozone hole has severe global consequences, increasing UV radiation exposure, which raises risks of skin cancer, eye damage, and weakened immune systems. It also affects the base of the ocean food chain by harming microorganisms, impacting marine ecosystems worldwide. However, international efforts have brought hope. The 1987 Montreal Protocol banned CFCs and other ozone-depleting substances. As a result, the ozone layer is gradually recovering, and the Antarctic ozone hole is expected to significantly shrink by the mid-21st century. Number 8. Antarctica's hidden subglacial lakes. Beneath Antarctica's thick ice, a magnificent hidden world is still being uncovered. In the 1970s, radar revealed nearly 400 subglacial lakes buried 1.9 miles, or about 3 kilometers beneath the surface, remnants from Antarctica's time as part of Gondwana. The immense pressure of the overlying ice keeps the water liquid despite the freezing temperatures. Lake Vostok, discovered by Russian scientists in the 1990s, is the largest subglacial lake in Antarctica and the third largest by volume in the world. Hidden beneath 2.2 miles, or about 3.5 kilometers of ice, its water remains at -3 degrees Celsius and has been isolated for over 20 million years. In 2014, scientists exploring Lake Whillans found a rich ecosystem of microorganisms thriving nearly 0.6 miles, or about 1 kilometer, below the ice. These organisms rely on methane and ammonia for energy, completely independent of sunlight, and have adapted to survive in freezing darkness for millions of years. This discovery highlights life's incredible adaptability on Earth. Antarctica's subglacial lakes are not only geological treasures, but also natural laboratories, offering valuable data about life in extreme environments and insights into icy celestial bodies elsewhere in the universe. Number 7. The McMurdo. Dry valleys, Earth's Mars. The McMurdo Dry Valleys in Antarctica, nicknamed Mars on Earth, are the driest place on the planet, receiving no rain for the past 2 million years, covering 1,850 square miles, or about 4,800 square kilometers. These valleys have been ice-free for 8 million years, not due to heat, but because of katabatic winds reaching up to 200 miles per hour, or about 320 kilometers per hour, which sweep away all moisture and snow. McMurdo's defining features include massive sand dunes up to 230 feet high, or about 70 meters, and an annual snowfall of only 4 inches, or about 100 millimeters, which winds blow away before it can settle. The air here is extremely dry, with water vapor just 1/20th that of warmer air. This harsh environment is nearly lifeless, except for a unique bacterium called Angelito, capable of surviving conditions similar to outer space, offering insights into potential life on Mars. Climate change is altering this unique landscape as sand dunes shift at a rate of 5 feet, or about 1.5 meters per year, due to melting ice. To protect this extraordinary region, parts of the valleys have been designated special conservation areas since 2004. For around $5,000, you can join a 12-day expedition from Ushuaia, Argentina, to explore this enigmatic terrain and contribute to research on life in extreme conditions. Number 6. Mount Erebus. Fire meets ice. In the icy expanse of Antarctica, Mount Erebus rises as a paradoxical marvel of nature, where fire and ice have coexisted in a dramatic dance for over 1,000,000 years. As the southernmost active volcano on Earth, Erebus towers 12,500 feet, or about 3,800 meters, above sea level on Ross Island, standing as a fiery beacon amidst frozen silence. For 1.3 million years, Mount Erebus has remained active, with its ancient lava lake continuously bubbling, defying Antarctica's extreme cold. Notably, the last 3 decades have seen increased volcanic activity. In 2013, a daring team of scientists scaled Erebus's summit, braving treacherous terrain of thick snow, volcanic rock, and slippery glaciers. They discovered unique ice cave systems where volcanic heat creates refuges for extreme malphilas, rare microorganisms surviving in the intense heat of magma and the freezing cold of Antarctica. Mount Erebus is more than a volcano. It is a natural laboratory showcasing life's extraordinary resilience. However, research remains challenging due to its remote location and harsh weather conditions. Number 5. The mystery of ancient meteorites. Amidst the endless white expanse of Antarctica lies a treasure from the far reaches of space. Not gold or diamonds, but precious meteorite fragments, cosmic messengers carrying tales of the universe's formation and other planets. Thanks to its frigid climate acting as a natural refrigerator, Antarctica preserves meteorites for millions of years. Against the pristine white ice, these dark space rocks stand out, making the continent an ideal hunting ground. Particularly in East Antarctica, wind and sunlight erode surface ice, exposing ancient layers rich with meteorites. Since 1976, over 20,000 meteorite samples have been collected here. A remarkable discovery came in 2013 when a Japanese-Belgian international research team unearthed the largest meteorite found in 25 years in East Antarctica. This cosmic rock, weighing 40 pounds, or about 18 kilograms, was the highlight of a 40-day expedition that recovered 425 meteorites with a combined weight of 165 pounds, or about 75 kilograms. Among these treasures were fragments from the asteroid Vesta and even Mars. Each meteorite is not just a stone, but a valuable puzzle piece in the story of the solar system's history, the origins of life, and the evolution of the universe. Every new discovery on Antarctica's ice brings humanity closer to unraveling the grand origins of existence. Number 4. The mystery of the singing ice. Deep within Antarctica, a mysterious melody emanates from the Ross Ice Shelf, a colossal block of ice spanning over 193,000 square miles, or about 500,000 square kilometers, equivalent to the size of France. Hundreds of meters thick, this massive ice sheet is not just a natural wonder of size, but also holds a unique musical secret. Instead of silence, researchers discovered continuous vibrations caused by winds brushing across snow dunes, creating a seismic song. This melody never repeats and shifts with the environment. Melting snow brings soft tones, while blizzards make the tune chaotic. What started as a serendipitous discovery has turned into a crucial tool for monitoring the health of the ice shelf. Changes in the melody allow scientists to track the condition of this massive ice block in real time. The seismic hum has become a special language, helping researchers understand the ice shelf's stability and predict potential changes. Number 3. The mystery of the Gamburtsev Mountains. Hidden beneath Antarctica's ice sheet, which is up to 2.5 miles thick, or about 4,000 meters, lies a geological wonder, the Gamburtsev Mountains, spanning 750 miles, or about 1,200 kilometers, with peaks soaring to 9,800 feet. or about 3,000 meters. These mountains have existed in silence for over a billion years, untouched by time or human interference. The discovery of these mountains came unexpectedly in 1958. Soviet scientists conducting research in Antarctica noticed anomalies in magnetic and gravity data. These unusual readings led to the surprising conclusion that beneath the eternal ice lay a massive, uncharted mountain range. Though no one has seen the Gamburtsev Mountains in person, modern technology has allowed humans to uncover their hidden beauty. Using ice-penetrating radar, similar to ultrasound imaging, scientists have reconstructed detailed images of the range. From towering peaks to deep valleys, every feature is gradually being revealed. Combining radar data with gravitational and magnetic readings has painted a clearer picture of this ancient landscape. What makes the Gamburtsev Mountains extraordinary is not just their size or structure, but their remarkable preservation. While other mountain ranges of the same age have eroded or disappeared, the Gamburtsev Mountains remain almost pristine, shielded by Antarctica's ice. Like a forgotten treasure, they hold secrets about Earth's geological history, serving as silent witnesses to ancient eras. Number 2. The mystery of Antarctica's bloodfalls. Amidst the stark whiteness of McMurdo's dry valleys, a strange phenomenon has captivated scientists for decades. A crimson waterfall cascading 5 stories from the Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny. The flow originates from an ancient saltwater lake buried 1,300 feet, or about 400 meters, beneath thick ice. This lake, with a salt concentration 3 times that of seawater, lacks oxygen and sunlight, but remains liquid due to immense pressure from the overlying ice. In 2017, ice-penetrating radar revealed a natural network of cracks that act as underground channels, allowing water to seep to the surface and sustain the waterfall over millennia. The mystery of the waterfall's red color was finally solved in 2023. Researchers from the University of Alaska Fairbanks and Colorado College discovered that nano-sized particles containing iron, silica, calcium, and salts were responsible. When exposed to air, these particles oxidize, creating the characteristic deep red hue. Their ultra-small size and amorphous structure had previously evaded detection by traditional methods. Despite its remote location, bloodfalls can be viewed via helicopter or cruise ships visiting the Ross Sea. Those eager to witness this wonder can begin their journey from Chile or Argentina, the main gateways to Antarctica's enigmatic landscapes. Number 1. The mysteries of aliens, Nazis, and a lost city. Antarctica, even in the age of satellites and modern technology, remains a land of intrigue and imagination. Its miles-thick ice not only conceals geological secrets, but also fuels captivating tales of aliens and the legendary city of Atlantis. The shimmering auroras over Antarctica each year coincide with numerous reports of UFO sightings. Satellite images from Google Earth further stoke curiosity by revealing peculiar structures, mysterious pyramids and staircases seemingly leading into the ice. For enthusiasts of extraterrestrial theories, Antarctica is an ideal destination to explore otherworldly enigmas. The continent's geological history also bolsters these theories. Once a lush tropical land millions of years ago, Antarctica brings to life stories of Atlantis, a fabled city buried under ice during the Ice Age. Modern events, such as alleged secret Nazi research stations or crew members poisoned by contaminated polar bear meat, add more layers to its mystique. Today, as scientists continue to study subglacial lakes and ancient organisms buried in ice, Antarctica remains a place where reality and legend intertwine. The contrast between cutting-edge science and unexplored mysteries makes it a unique symbol of discovery, where every revelation opens new questions about our planet. While not every mystery leads to aliens or lost cities, these stories contribute to Antarctica's allure, a land preserving secrets beneath its eternal ice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to catch more exciting videos. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest content. See you in the next video.